I'm going to mark these electric boxes and then we'll measure from the top chalk line down to them so we'll know where to cut out in here.
Beautiful.
All right.
We've got all the wainscot panels up. Now we just got to come back and using the marks we have from yesterday, we're going to transfer our locations for the outlet boxes and get those cut. We plumb down from the lines we marked on the wall to locate the sides of the cutouts, and then pull our tape to find the top edges of each box. Then, just to make sure we don't overcut, Gary makes a small opening in the center of the box, and since the power is off, he can use his finger to make sure we're in the right spot before committing to the full hole. Right, yeah, don't cover up the screw holes, you get an angry electrician. With all the electrical boxes cut out, it's time to move on to baseboard. Always the meticulous craftsman, Gary likes